Code means VS Code. Before we start video, I am telling that what is VS Code. The VS Code, the full form is Visual Studio Code, also known as VS. VS Code को ही हम लोग वर्चुअल वर्चुअल स्टूडियो कोड भी बोलते हैं. Virtual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, is a free and lightweight code editor developed by Microsoft. You can use VS Code for programming language like Python, C, C++, Java, and many other languages. So, how can we download VS Code from Google Chrome? So we can open Google Chrome, then we search VS Code. Then you can see the website of VS Code. Then you can click install VS Code on Windows. Next, you can see a link that is download Visual Studio Code. Then you can click on it. Then you can show three options. The first is for Windows, second is Linux, and the third is Mac. If your system is Windows, then you can download Windows. So we can press on Windows. Then your downloading is starting automatically. Just waiting few minutes. Then your virtual studio code is installed. Then your downloaded has been completed. Next, you can press here and read the agreement. Then you can check the I script the agreement. Then press next, then next, then next. Then you can check the box, then next, then press the install. Then installing complicate, then click finish. Okay, thank you for watching this video.